Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tokyo Foodie Sarah. In this video today, I'm gonna be showing you a hotel near a Tokyo Disneyland. In my previous video, you've seen a tour of Tokyo Disney Sea, and for the night, I am staying at a hotel nearby. It's a hotel called Grand Nikko, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what this place offers. I hope you enjoy this video. The plan I booked allowed me to secure tickets for Tokyo Disney Sea for the day I checked in. So my friend Ayaka and I arrived at the hotel in the morning to get our tickets. After you purchase your tickets at the hotel, you can head to Disney Sea with this awesome looking train. And of course, you can enjoy your day at Disney Sea. After you've had enough fun, you can just head back to the hotel. The hotel is only about 5 minutes walk from the closest station, but if you're tired from walking too much inside Disney Sea, you can also take the bus to the hotel. So I'm gonna start off with a room tour of this place. That's the entrance. And as you go in, you see a bathroom. It's very nice and clean. And then on the right hand side, you see the bedroom. And woo, it's so big. Hello! That's my company, Ayaka. Beautiful lady over there. Hello. Yeah, we're both very tired. Nah, we walked so much at Disney Sea. And that's the view. Oh my god, look at that. That is amazing, isn't it? And that's we have a coffee machine for coffee addicts like myself and Ayaka. And a pot, some complimentary water. What's that? Oh, coffee pods, drip pods. Random things. Yeah, random things. And then here we have the bathroom. It's very nice. It's really big, isn't it? I'll zoom it out. So yeah, that's the bathtub, and you get a view of the nice ocean. Ocean there, ne? Just checking. And then, hello. We have some glasses there and some toiletries. They look nice. Where's it from? Oh, it doesn't say. Okay, some toiletries over there. Don't know what that is. Oh, some more toiletries, amenities. Hair dryer, it looks decent. Yay. And that's the shower room. Woohoo! So, both Ayaka and I are gonna stay at this hotel for the night. And we're gonna go for a breakfast buffet tomorrow morning. Woo! And actually, from now, before we have the actual dinner, so they don't do lunch services or dinner services nowadays, but they do like takeaway, so we got some salads. But before we have these salads, we're gonna go for like a lounge where they serve like free food, like finger foods. So we're gonna have some pre-dinner there, and then hopefully we'll have some salad later. Woohoo! So we have come to the lounge, and they have all sorts of food like canapes and some stick veg and also some temari sushi. Now that we are back from the lounge, we're gonna have some salad. We actually had quite a bit of food there, so we're kind of full. But so these were the croutons, and we have these salad dressing. Yeah, we both got a salad because we wanted to have some food at the lounge. And look at that! It's seafood and avocado salad. This was 100 1,300 yen for one, the whole pack. Yeah, quite reasonable, I think. Yay! And that's Ayaka's. Oops, sorry. Oops. あ、横になっちゃった。これ大丈夫。私これ食べる。That's mine. That's yours. That's safe. You have this.
ありがとう。
So we had a look at the inside and look how much veg they have. It's really it's actually not too bad. But yeah, it's not that much. So yeah, we're really glad that we had proper food at the lounge. Well, not proper food, but like enough food.
こっちの側の部屋でよかったね。
庭で佇む振り返り美人。パカーン。お、美味しそう。でも3つだから喧嘩するやつ。
じゃんけんかな。
Good morning, everyone. So I think I was very tired yesterday. So when I woke up this morning, I was like, ugh. But the bed was really nice. Yeah. And I slept really well. And I'm in the pajamas they provided, but I probably look like I'm in jail. Yeah. So we're gonna get ready and head to the breakfast buffet. So that is everything I got. Here's a cup of kojicha, and I got some mains, like some Western stuff and Japanese and some Asian stuff here. And that's the handmade onigiri. It was made just in front of me. The lady made it for me. Freshly made onigiri and some mekabu, like seaweed, slimy seaweed, and some fruits and matcha muffin. Woohoo! Onigiri! 明太子にした。明太子か鮭か梅。The rice is warm. It's great. I'm gonna try out the matcha muffin. The muffin is very, very moist, and oh my god, the matcha flavor is like, it's actually quite dense. So I got these two for my second round. This is like the mini hamburger. The meat has apparently just been made. A freshly made waffle I also wanted some scrambled eggs, but there was a long queue, so I just decided to come back and maybe go for it later. Both Ayaka and I got the freshly made scrambled egg. Yay, scrambled egg omelette. So hers is the veg omelette, and mine's the cheese omelette. And I'm gonna have that for dessert. And I also got a yakko. I hope that fills me up. It's so bouncy. We have now checked out from the hotel and we are heading back to Tokyo. It was It was so much fun at the Disney and also at the hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed this trip. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Up. And subscribe to see more future videos about Japanese food and culture. Bye! Oh my god, マスクとトップスの色が合ってる。It's called the Grand Nikko なんだっけ